Today we'll be making a healthy and delicious fruit and vegetable smoothie. Smoothies can be a great way to drink or eat your fruits and especially your vegetables. First, we'll start with a banana. A banana will make our smoothie very creamy, rich, and delicious. Let's see if you can hold your body in the banana or the hollow body position for 1 minute. Please show me now. Fun fact, chocolate, which is pictured here, can be another healthy and delicious addition to your smoothie. Chocolate from nature looks a little bit different than what we're used to. Chocolate actually comes from a tree. Boys and girls, please show me if you would like to add some chocolate to your smoothies or if you would prefer adding some coconut. Please show me now. Now that you know how to create your healthy and delicious fruit and vegetable smoothie, your next task is to experiment with different fruit and vegetable combinations. See what kind of colors you can create for your smoothies and see how delicious of a smoothie you can create. Have fun creating your smoothies and being healthy. Be sure to like and follow.